This is the perfect container for curing.
Correct. CVAULT is a 304 food grade stainless steel container. Came about really from the cigar industry. We came out 13 years ago with the product. And at that time, my dad, who started the product, there was humidors for cigars, but there wasn't really anything to keep your weed fresh. He got in contact with Boveda and the rest is history. 304 food grade stainless steel. Boveda pack goes in every container. We have a lid holder built into the lid. Just came up with a better mousetrap.